Two-way tables. Understand how to read and interpret data from two-way tables. Calculate totals and percentages from two-way tables. Analyze relationships between two categorical variables. Goals for this lesson. Understand how to read and interpret data from two-way tables. Calculate totals and percentages from two-way tables. Analyze relationships between two categorical variables. Basic rule. Step 1. Identify the categories. Look at the row and column headings to understand what each category represents. Step 2. Read the data. Locate the intersection of the relevant row and column to find the data point. Step 3. Calculate totals and percentages. Add rows or columns to find totals and divide to find percentages as needed. Repeat after me. A two-way table shows the number of students who play soccer and basketball. If 30 students play soccer and 20 play basketball, and 10 students play both sports, how many students play only soccer? Solution. 30 minus 10 equals 20 students play only soccer. In a two-way table, 50 students prefer coffee, 30 prefer tea, and 20 prefer both. What percentage of students prefer only tea? Solution. 30 minus 20 equals 10 prefer only tea. Total equals 50 plus 30 minus 20 equals 60. Percentage equals 10 over 60 times 100 equals 16.67%. A two-way table shows the preferences of 100 students for two types of music, pop and rock. If 40 like pop, 30 like rock, and 10 like both, how many like neither? Solution. Total liking at least one equals 40 plus 30 minus 10 equals 60. Therefore, 100 minus 60 equals 40 like neither. Common mistakes include, in a two-way table, if 30 students like coffee and 20 like tea and 10 like both, it is incorrectly stated that 20 like only coffee. Calculating the percentage of students who like only tea as 30 over 100 times 100 equals 30% instead of finding the correct number first. Correct versions are, in a two-way table, if 30 students like coffee and 20 like tea and 10 like both. The correct number of students who like only coffee is 30 times 10 equals 20. Calculating the percentage of students who like only tea correctly as 10 over 60 times 100 equals 16.67%. Mini practice. Choose the correct form. 1. In a two-way table, 25 students like math, 15 like science, and 5 like both. How many students like only math? Answer: 20. 2. Which percentage of students prefer only science if 15 like science, 10 like math, and 5 like both? A. 33.33%, B. 25%, C. 50%. Answer: B. 3. In a two-way table, if 60 students like cats, 40 like dogs, and 20 like both, how many like neither? A. 20, B. 40, C. 10. Answer: A. Pro tip: always double-check your calculations when finding totals and percentages. Make sure to account for overlaps in categories when analyzing data. Summary. Two-way tables help organize and analyze data involving two categorical variables. Understanding how to read and interpret the data is crucial for problem solving.